Lyft came out with something first. And of course, Uber has to copy it not too much long after with their price lock feature that is for customers. And of course, Uber being Uber, they do it Ubery.
Yeah, but you know how many times we said this last 2.5 years or so we've been doing, or almost 3 now, show me the money, right? We said Uber does it, Lyft copies. You know, last year or so,
The other side happens too.
Yeah, but last year or so, we haven't said that much. In fact, now we've said actually on quite differently. We said, well, now Uber is, copying Lyft, right? Uber, 33,000 employees. Lyft is swinging it over there with 4,000 employees. What's happening? You guys ran out of ideas? Oh, I forgot.
No,
Hold on, Chris.
no, they got to
put
put
all their resources into. They put all their resources into taking down our algorithmic wage discrimination test.
That's what I was just gonna say. Yeah, they got to put 3,000 or 4,000 coders just on our algorithmic
kind of
on our show.
No, this is we're working on price lock pass, just like Lyft. I think it's $299. Yeah, it's correct. It's $299. Yep. So the potential new product is called Price Lock Pass, according to Bloomberg News, and the company hasn't yet announced the offering, and details about it not have been previously reported. But what Bloomberg does is somehow they read the code. They truly do, and then on the software, and then they come up with these ideas that Uber is working on this, Uber is working on that, and you know how Uber is, right? They'll pilot it, little small areas, they have the data and they'll pilot it for a while. Some things never make it to market. Some things make it to market, like Advantage versus Standard, whatever. And the riders be able to purchase a monthly pass for $299 according to the code, letting them cap prices for a designated route, just like Lyft's. Isn't Lyft's called Price Lock? Yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, it is called Price Lock. No. Yeah, it's called Price Lock. And so same thing. They even named it the same thing, which is kind of surprising. So this would help commuters avoid surprise price
Price Lock Pass. I think Lyft just calls it Price Lock or Price Lock Guarantee or something.
Okay, so they added a pass. Okay, very innovative.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
You'll say the same. So, this is good for people who use Uber frequently. I mean, look, there are a lot of people, Chris, that go to work every day with an Uber. Seriously. It could be working at McDonald's, or it could be, coffee shop or whatever. I mean, I've picked up the same passengers, going to the same places, and this would be good for them because not that it surges, but in bad weather cities, let's say, okay, snow or whatever, you still got to go to work. You know how it surges, right? Because drivers don't want to drive in the snow or bad weather. This may be helpful to the riders. Is it going to help the driver? No, I don't think so. Not that I can think of anything, but no, this is Uber, the big tree. Yeah, by the way, big trees are earnings tomorrow. It used to be it used to be Tuesdays. They skipped it.
I wonder why they needed that extra day because Show Me the Money was on. We were going to talk about it, but now they're like, get a whole week that we don't have to worry about.
We have something to talk about next week. That's why. So it's tomorrow earnings before the open, 5 a.m. Pacific time, if you guys are interested. And then please go listen to the conference call. And then Lyft is next week. Lyft is on the 11th. So next Tuesday, actually. And so if you guys, I want to put a shameless plug here. If you guys are interested, there's a bunch of names I see from my other channel. If you guys are interested, I have a finance channel. It's at Sergio Avedian on YouTube. We don't talk about rideshare. We have a Telegram chat group. We have a member group. We're having quite a bit of fun over there. And go check that channel if you're interested. Subscribe and become a member. I appreciate the support. So anyway, back at the ranch, Uber definitely following Lyft.
The one thing though that I find interesting is it says riders would be able to purchase a monthly pass for this for $299, same as Lyft, according to the code, letting them cap prices for a designated route during a 1-hour window each day. This would help commuters avoid surprise price increases during busy times, commonly known as surge pricing. With a Price Lock Pass, you'll pay the same price or less on Uber X rides. The code says users can save as much as $50 a month with the feature it added. An FAQ page for the product is live on Uber's website, but does not currently contain any text.
Yeah.
So you know what this is? This is just them like scraping the site, and they're like, "Oh, we found something," but we don't really have anything on it. But I think it's kind of funny. They're saying a designated route for 1 hour window each day. The fine print says we define what that 1 hour route is, and we're going to do it at the time of 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. only.
Yeah, no, I think probably, but when there's no smoke, there's no fire. So I'm pretty sure this is pretty decent info. So.
Oh, I'm sure. I mean, that's the thing. They're probably scraping the website. They found that on their page, and it's a page that's probably not linked yet because there's nothing on it, but it probably has that information in it, and that's why they said according to the code, because there's nothing that's actually built into that yet.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.